for discussion, bitch, I already know I'm popping. You see me out, then I'm probably out shopping. Don't say a word, love, bitch, you too talkative.
I'm back. Today we're gonna be doing my denim jacket. You're here, so you know what the video is about. So let's just get into the video, right? I love you so much. We're never gonna look the same anymore.
Dangerous on the beat. Dangerous on the beat. Dangerous on the beat. Dangerous on the beat.
Am I gonna wear it? Like, I'm probably gonna wear it because it kind of looks cool. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. I'm not quite sure, but we'll see. Because at the end of the day, I feel like I'm being put in a vulnerable position because I drew something, and now people will know this about me, and it's like, I kind of don't want you to know. If you want me to customize your stuff, just know that I'm going to be choosing the design, and you just plug me with whatever you want me to customize your thing with. So make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and you show me some love, because that's all we can do, you know what I'm saying? Like, yes.